Hi, my name is Sheeba Chenoli. I'm a senior lecturer at the Department of Geography, and my area is weather and climate. This weather station has been established in 1959 by the record, but it was there before that too. They take the meteorological observations such as the temperature, sunshine hours, and wind speed, wind direction, etc. Most of the instruments here, it's very ancient, right? So most of this data, it's not the principal data that we need for the climatology and meteorological analysis. So we have this sunshine recorder here. Sunshine recorder can record how many hours of sunshine is there in one day. There is a graph paper, and this graph paper will be burned by the solar radiation. So end of the day you will get how many hours of sunshine was there in one day, and this is important for agriculture, for weather forecasting, and other research areas also. One of the courses that geography undergrad students learn is weather and climate. For this, there is a topic called weather instruments, meteorological instruments. So every semester, this undergrad students will come here and look at the instrument and learn the basic principles of how you take the reading, and also they collect the data. So we have data from 1969 until now. So this is important to look at the climate change studies. Climate change need long-term data set to see whether there is a change in the temperature or change in the rainfall and rainfall pattern, etc. So students can come here and take this data set to do further analysis. They can be an observer in meteorological department, where they can take all this observation in daily basis. So manual stations where they have instruments that is not automatic, they have to take data 2 times in a day. Yeah, in meteorology department they have observers, so they can become an observer. My research consists of the weather, what are the weather patterns, extreme weather, like why we have extreme rainfall, what are the reason if there is a change in the extreme rainfall because of the global warming. That is my research focus. I also look at the monsoon, whether we can forecast monsoon, starting of the monsoon. So we have published a few papers on the monsoon index. That means whether we can forecast the onset of monsoon earlier, so that we know how it's going to be, and whether we can forecast the intensity of monsoon, whether it is going to be very bad monsoon and things like that. Yeah, and related to the El Nino Southern Oscillation, we call it as ENSO, El Nino and La Nina.